Hello, I'm James Barth from Rock Hard 4x4. I want to show you our electronic axle disconnect skid plate for your JL and JT trucks. Here's your factory skid. It's made of 1/8 inch material. It's fairly lightweight, and we're seeing quite a few customers that are bending up their factory skids. So we have a solution for that. This is our 250 thousandths 1/4 inch material, Rock Hard 4x4 made skid plate. This will go on using the factory hardware. It takes about 5 minutes to install. All you need is a 10mm wrench. Let's show you how to install it. I've loosened the bolts using a 10mm wrench, and now we're just going to unscrew them. There's a total of 4 that hold it in place. We will reuse the factory hardware on the installation of the Rock Hard 4x4 skid. Now that we've removed your factory skid, we're going to go ahead and install the Rock Hard 4x4 skid. We're going to go ahead and slide it up in place and install the bolts. Go ahead and install all 4 factory bolts and then use a 10mm wrench to tighten it in place.